The next topic is data cleaning. That is first step of data pre-processing. So let's start with this one. And before that, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel. So let's get into the topic. Now, to perform data cleaning, we need to know three major things for which we are going to perform cleaning on data. First one is missing values. So what are missing values? First, we have to know that part. Missing values are those values, you can understand it in that way, like this is one table. Okay. Suppose some rows are there and some columns are there, from which I'm taking out some values are written over there like 1, 2, and this one is missing. This is again 2, 3, this is missing, this is missing. Suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 6, this is 5. In the same way, this one is 4. And you can see the dot ones are the missing cells in which no information is given to us. So these are the missing values. So the thing is like here, if we are going to give this kind of table for the analysis purpose to our model, the model can give us some biased results or it can give us some inaccurate results. So certain problems can occur when your data is incomplete. Now, again, the questions like how to handle these missing values. So there are certain ways for that. First one is like ignore the tuple. Ignore the tuple means wherever in the row, whichever row is having missing values, just ignore it. So doing that can can raise some problems. What kind of problems? If this row I'm deleting, maybe this is having some another important information which is getting deleted along with the missing values. So that's why this way is not recommended one. Second way is fill in the missing values manually. This can be done if your data is very small. If there are 5 entries, 10 entries, 20 entries, maybe we can fill it up manually, the missing data. But if you're talking about large data sets, it is not always possible to fill up things manually. Then you need certain tools to do the same. Next one is use global constant to fill in the missing values. So what do you understand by this one? The global constant means fill all the missing values by some label, like you can say null, unknown, or infinity, minus infinity. In that way you can fill up these values. So suppose all these values are filled up by some infinite values, infinite, 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 infinite. All values are having infinite in that one. So what problem can occur because of that? The model can give some biased results because so many constant values it can see that is similar values. If too much data is missing, this can happen if too much data is missing. If less data is missing, then you can utilize this way. Okay, and next one is very much utilized way, that is use the attribute mean to fill in the missing values. That means if you are having 6 and 5 in this column, take the mean of 6 and 5 and fill up all missing values with the mean of 6 and 5. Take the mean of this 2 and 3 and fill up all the values, the missing values with the mean of 2 and 3. Take the mean of 1 and 2 for the first column and fill up the missing values with the mean of 1 and 2. So it is highly utilized way also. And another one, the similar way, in spite of utilizing mean, you can also utilize median of that. So again, the same concept, utilize the median of the all present data and fill up the missing values for the particular column. Then next one is use the attribute mean for all samples belonging to the same class as the given tuple. So what is the meaning of this one? So it's like, let us understand this with this example. Suppose I am creating one more row in this one. So there are 4 rows in this table, which you can see right here. So the thing is like they want to create the samples. So the first sample is first 2 rows. The second sample is next 2 rows. So in this one, what they are saying, in spite of filling all the values with the mean, just take the first sample, take the mean of 1 and 2, and if there are any missing values in sample 1, then fill up with the mean of 1 and 2. Here, take the mean of, suppose some 0 value is there. Take the mean of 0 and fill up the missing value with the mean of sample 2. So that is the meaning. In spite of filling, like you can understand it better with this third column. Like here, one data is missing with the sample 1, as 0 is there. So fill up the second missing value, the first missing value of the sample 1 with the mean of 0. So there is only 0, so it will be 0 only. Here it is, suppose in this one it is 1. So here the missing value, only 1 is there. So what you will do, in the sample 2, only one value is present, one value is missing. Take the mean of first one and fill up the second one in this way. So it is not like earlier what we were doing, we were taking mean of 0 and 1 and filling up all the values with the same mean. Here we are taking samples of the data and then we are filling up the values with the mean of the particular column's sample. Okay, that is the meaning. Next one is use a most probable value to fill in the missing value. So that is the most frequent value. If suppose 4 is occurring more than 2, 3, 4 times, and it is the most frequent value in this column, then fill all the missing values with 4. That is the meaning of this last one. So I hope you got this point. What is the meaning of missing values? How to tackle missing values? Okay, let us move to next one. Noisy data. Now next one is noisy data. To handle noisy data in data cleaning, it is a part of again a data cleaning. So how to do that? Let us see. The first way is to perform binning method. Data smoothing techniques are there, under which the first one is binning method. So what is binning method? Binning method is basically it works on like checking out the neighbor values, and it works on the sorted data. What it will do, it will take the first sorted data, it will convert the data into some certain bins, equal size bins, and then it will perform the step by step, the smoothing by bin mean, smoothing by bin median, smoothing by bin boundary. So there are three ways to perform binning. The first one is by bin mean. So each bin value will be replaced by the mean of that particular bin. In bin median, each bin value will be replaced by the median value of that bin. What is bin boundary? Take the maximum and minimum values of the particular bin and replace the most nearest value, the closest value. Either it can be close to minimum or to maximum. Replace all the values with either to minimum or maximum values of that particular bin. So let us get more clarity on this method with an example. Let us see, this is a sorted data which is given to you. It is not necessary that you will always get a sorted data, but this is given in the form of sorted manner. So 4, 8, 15, 21, 21, 24, 25, 28, 34. 9 values are there. What they have done, they have divided this complete data set into 3 bins. Bin 1, 2, 3. Bin 1 is having 4, 8, 15. Bin 2 is 21, 21, 24. Bin 3 is 25, 28, 34. Now we are performing bin mean. So what is the method of bin mean? Take the mean of the bin 1, 4, 8 and 15. And then what is the mean of 4, 8 and 15? 4 plus 8 plus 15 divided by 3. Okay, that will give to you. So that will be like around 27, the sum of all these 3 divided by 3. That will be your mean. That will give you 9. So that means replace all values of bin 1 by the value 9. So that is 9. Okay. Then take the mean of 21, 21, 24, 21 plus 21 plus 24 divided by 3. That will give you mean value of bin 2. That is 22. So replace all values by mean of bin 2. In the same way for bin 3. Now let us check. In the same way you can perform by for the median. Take the median and then replace all the values by the median. Now coming on to bin boundary. What is bin boundary? So let us check the first bin in which the minimum value is 4 and the maximum value is 15. So let's take one by one. 4 is closest to the minimum value because it is itself a minimum value. It will remain same. Next value is 8. 8 is closest to the minimum value, so it will be replaced by the minimum value of the bin. 15 is itself a maximum value, so it will remain same as 15. So in this way, in bin 2, you can check there are only 2 values, which is 21 and 24, minimum and maximum, they all will remain same. Bin 3, 25, 28 and 34. 25 is minimum, 34 is maximum. So 25 is itself minimum, it will remain same. 28 is closest to minimum, so it will become 25. 34 is itself maximum, so it will remain same as 34. So that is about our binning technique. I hope you got the point. What is it? And if you are having any doubts, please comment and discuss with me. And please share the videos with your friends or whosoever need it. And please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for showering so much love on this channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in next video.